We continue our look at the Noise Abatement Act. This evening, reactions to the government's proposal for entertainment zones. As TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports, not all are for it.
The recent debate over the lock-off times for entertainment events under the Noise Abatement Act is one that hundreds have taken issue with. For promoters, vendors and others, the weekly events are not only a source of enjoyment, but a major income generator.
The man put him lick up on the ice, him take it on consignment and it just start cool. By the way, him ready for the dance, the liquor him just get cool to sell to the people then.
Acknowledging that reality, the House of Representatives passed a bill on Tuesday which will allow parties to go until 2 a.m. on weekdays and 4 a.m. on weekends up to January 31. But not all persons are pleased with the announcement.
So my suggestion or my request is that New Kingston be zoned no noise for the festive season. And the citizens that are many retired or people that want to sleep, business people that want to sleep and rest, such as myself, be disturbed.
For sound selector Boom Boom,
nurses and doctors and lawyers come on my event them. You hear that? Man, we all fly plane pilot. You hear me I tell you? And I fly plane when him left my event them. So at the end of the day, music now have nothing to do with people and their mind. You see it? Because we put me to sleep. Music. You understand? So when I hear some people talk about music, they can't sleep. A problem them have.
Now to another issue, a proposal that has been on the table for years that has yet to come to fruition, the establishment of entertainment zones. Recently, Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange revealed that her ministry is working to complete the build-out of the first zone in Fort Rocky, Port Royal by February next year.
And I know there is concern in the industry that will it be affordable? What is being offered is a facility where you will not be under the restrictions that you would have in a built-up area where it's a mix of residential and commercial.
That can't work?
Rubbish. I suffer them I will suffer about you. They might take the niceness. We are talking about Airport Road. One heap of the youth them were hustling at night time, a taxi them take. You know how much money for take a taxi to Airport Road?
This culture is rich. Jamaican people is built on a cultural aspect. So you saying you want to destroy the culture of dancehall?
Meanwhile, with the temporary extension in place, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the government will continue to look at the implementation of sound ordinances.
If you speak idealistically, you know, the way the economy is now structured, with a 7-day a week, 24 hours, it is not the time that matters, it's the level of sound. Because you're going to have people can have daytime thing, and if they're going to exceed the sound, problem. So if you can keep sound at a level that doesn't disturb the peace, it can go on all night.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.